Recently, many people have been complaining on how they can start or open a new YouTube channel, and I just thought if I can do a little video, even if it's a 5 minute, to help you guys know how to set up your YouTube channel, it's gonna be good. All right, welcome to our YouTube channel series where I give you guys tips on how to succeed on YouTube and other services. All right, and in this episode I'll be doing how you can start up your YouTube channel setup, and it's very simple. I'm going to do it in 4 steps, and after that I'm going to show you the practical aspect of it, and stay to the end of this video. You're going to enjoy the process. All right, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you something amazing at the end. All right, and the first one is signing up to YouTube. Okay, and if you don't have a YouTube app, you can go to your Play Store, download the YouTube app into your phone, and then you open it and sign in with your Google account. It's as simple as that, and I'm going to show you the practical after this. All right, the second step is to create your channel, which is once you click at the profile, your profile picture, or your email profile, it's going to take you to where you see the procedures to create a YouTube channel, and it's going to be as simple as whatever. Just put in your name, your username, and then your description and so on. Okay, step 3 is to customize your YouTube account, and you're going to add your banner, your profile pictures, and your link to the website you're going to be using, and it's just that simple. And the last step is to upload your first video. Probably you've been working on a video that you don't know how to put it on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to click the plus button and upload your first video. All right, and that is the end of these steps, and we're going to look at the practical. Let me on my data right now and go to my YouTube app, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right, and this is my account. Okay, and there's a place in your account. Once you see your name, all right, your email address is going to display automatically, and you're going to click on your picture on the email address in your account. All right, and it's going to show you a new tab where, all right, let me use a different account here. I think this one is active already. Let me see if I can use a new account. All right, that's going to take us a little bit long. All right, you're going to click there, and it will show you where to start up your process, and click, and you see the place for you to set up your account. All right, and it will be like this. You see account settings, the name, the handle name, your channel URL, and your description. All right, you're going to fill up all these things, and then you hit on create, and after that your channel is up. You put your profile picture, and then once you see down here, there's a place here for you to a plus button for you to upload your first video. You can click on that plus button, and it's going to take you to your gallery, and you choose the video you want to work on, and then you click publish. All right, and if it's a long form video, they're going to show you where to put your description, your title, and your thumbnail. It's just to put in those details, and that is the end of it. All right, we've come to the end of this journey. and I told you it's just a 5 minutes because I just want to show you how to do it. And it's not going to take your time, you just have it, and that is with this. We've come to the end of this video. All right, and if you love this, like and subscribe, and drop your opinion on the comment section. And please, if you have anything, I will attend to it. All right, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you.